Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find cheap flights in Skyscanner. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Skyscanner account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Skyscanner? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type skyscanner.net, and that's going to take you to the official website. Once you get into the official website, all you need to do is just follow the on-screen prompt to sign up. You might need to There's going to be a prompt for you to link Skyscanner with your Google account. You can just go through that process. It's more like a very easy cut, but you can use the manual process to actually sign up. And once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic window or homepage where you can now explore a little features to have an exciting time in Skyscanner. So now that we're here, let's learn how we can find cheap flights in Skyscanner. So over here, I'm just going to select the country that I'll be moving from, let's say Nigeria, and to London, and departing here. Then enter your date of return and travelers, one adult, economy. So I'm just going to click on the search bar. So in this search bar, you see this option here that says cheapest flights and direct flights. So you have from Abuja and you have from Lagos. So set the tab to cheapest flights. So if you see direct flights, these are the things you're going to find, and just check cheapest flights, and these are the options you're going to find. So let's select Lagos. So over here, we are in this button, or in this window rather. So in this window where we have cheapest flight options, and that's the cheapest flight. So this is the best flight, cheapest and fastest. So set it to the cheapest tab. So you have all of these options now. So scroll the way down and you find a wide array of cheap flights that you can select. So just go ahead and click on the select button from any of the cheapest flights that you choose that suits your fancy. Click on select and follow through the on-screen prompt to check in and check out. So that's pretty much the process. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.